Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant ragi recipe ideal as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. It's dairy free and gluten free. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl I'm adding in 4 tablespoons sprouted ragi flour. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten free. I prefer to use sprouted ragi flour in my recipes as they are easy to digest and more nutrient dense. Into this I'm adding in 1 cup water. This is room temperature water. With a spoon I'm mixing this really well. You need to make sure that there are no lumps in this mix. So you need to mix it really well. Okay, now the ragi slurry is ready. It's nicely mixed. So I'm going to keep it aside. Into my saucepan, I'm adding in 3 cups of water. These days I prefer to use structured water. Structured water is nothing but water stored overnight in a copper vessel. Into this I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Allow this to come to a boil, and once the water boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in the ragi slurry. Before pouring in, make sure that you're giving it a good mix. And with a spoon, give it a good mix, and on low to medium flame, allow this to come to a boil. Ragi will start to thicken as it starts to get cooked. So it's ideal to stir it on and off. As the ragi cooks, the mix will start to thicken. So try to stir it on and off so that you can make sure that nothing gets stick to the bottom of the pan. And once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest, and while the mix is simmering, I'm adding in the rest of the ingredients. 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1/4 inch or a small piece of ginger finely sliced. 8 to 10 shallots or small onions finely sliced. Turn off the flame. Give it a good mix. Add in 1 grated carrot. Finely chopped coriander leaves. Squeeze in half a lemon and give this all a good mix. Cover it for about a minute or 2. Couple of minutes later, open the lid and give it a good stir. You can see that the ragi kanji is slightly thick but is of the perfect consistency. The carrot and shallots are lightly steamed and will give a subtle crunch. Instead of the vegetables I am using, you can add in any seasonal vegetable of your choice. You can also add in greens of your choice. Once this kanji cools down, it will thicken even more. As you can see, once it has started to cool down, the ragi kanji has started to thicken. Serve the warm ragi kanji onto a serving bowl. Just before serving, I am garnishing it with some finely sliced shallots for added crunch and flavor, grated carrot, finely chopped coriander leaves, a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. Lastly, I'm drizzling in some plant-based curd. You can use dairy milk curd if you don't have any issues with dairy milk. I've already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check them out. Links will be updated below this video. And lastly, for some healthy fats and added crunch, I'm adding in finely chopped cashew nuts. Any healthy fat of your choice will be ideal as it will help in better assimilation of vitamin D in the ragi. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, so you need a good source of healthy fat for better absorption. So guys, do try this healthy ragi kanji and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.